Your GMC Yukon key fob uses a CR232 battery to remotely lock-unlock doors, start the engine, and activate the panic alarm. A weak battery leads to decreased range or complete failure. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective DIY task, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. All 2021-2025 GMC Yukon key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Ensure you purchase a fresh, brand-name battery from a reputable source to avoid counterfeits that may cause premature failure. Check the voltage with a multimeter if possible. It should read close to 3 volts. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the key fob casing without scratching it. A plastic pry tool is ideal for opening the fob without causing damage to the plastic casing. Some fobs might have a small Phillips screw inside, though this is rare in Yukon models. Have a fresh CR2032 lithium coin cell battery ready for replacement. Use a soft cloth to protect the fob's surface during the process. Locate the small notch or seam on the edge of your Yukon's key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch. Twist or lever to separate the two halves of the fob casing. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic clips. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Pay close attention to its orientation. The positive side with the plus symbol should face upward. Insert the new battery in exactly the same orientation, ensuring it's firmly seated to maintain proper electrical connectivity and prevent malfunctions. Now snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together. Align the top and bottom halves carefully and press firmly until you hear a click, ensuring they are securely closed. For 2023 and newer Yukon models, make sure the rubber gasket is properly seated between the halves to maintain the water resistance rating. This prevents moisture from entering the fob. Test the fob's functions to verify the new battery is working correctly. Press the lock button, unlock button, and start button while near your vehicle to confirm each function operates properly. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, double-check the battery orientation and ensure it's making good contact. If issues persist, you might need to reprogram the fob. Try holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds while near the vehicle. Consult your owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions. Dispose of the old lithium battery properly at a recycling center to prevent environmental damage and fire risks. Batteries contain lithium, so improper disposal contributes to small e-waste. Use programs like Call to Recycle, aligning with GMC's eco-friendly practices. Automakers are trending towards smartphone app integration, such as Apple's Car Key via NFC and potentially rechargeable fobs. GMC has piloted app-based entry in select markets. Future outlooks include higher capacity batteries, kinetic energy-powered fobs, and fully wireless options by 2030. In current GMC Yukons, smartphone integration is visible in dashboards with large touchscreens for apps and controls, paving the way for app-based keyless entry. Vehicles like the Yukon feature illuminated phone recesses, showing how battery icons and app integrations are becoming central. This highlights the transition to wireless technology. However, for your 2021-2025 GMC Yukon, DIY battery replacement remains a practical and cost-effective solution.